Hey, pizza enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of portable pizza ovens with the Ooni Karu 12, a game-changer for pizza lovers looking to bring the pizzeria experience home. If you enjoy our content, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insightful product reviews. Let's get started. Greetings, everyone! Today, we're talking about the Ooni Karu 12, a portable pizza oven that's creating quite a buzz among pizza aficionados. With options for gas or wood fuel, impressive portability, and the promise of delicious 12-inch pizzas in minutes, the Karu 12 is a compelling choice for those eager to explore pizza making at home. The Ooni Karu 12 stands out not just for its pizza prowess, but also for its eye-catching design. Its sleek appearance, resembling an Airstream trailer, is a true visual delight. And there's more to it than meets the eye. The design is cleverly thought out. The foldable legs provide elevation while maintaining a compact form, and the detachable chimney allows for easy storage and transport. This pizza oven boasts a generous 13.2-inch cooking surface. Perfect for crafting 12-inch pizzas that come out beautifully when heated to a scorching 752 degrees Fahrenheit, 400 degrees Celsius. Here's where the magic happens. You have the option to use either wood or gas as fuel. The wood adds authenticity and flavor, while the gas attachment ensures quick setup and precise temperature control, a blessing for beginners. For those new to pizza making, the gas attachment is a game changer. It simplifies the cooking process, allowing you to focus on perfecting the dough and other essentials. Even with the gas attachment, a learning curve exists. Waiting 20 minutes for the baking stone to reach optimal temperature, adjusting the burner, and achieving the right balance takes a bit of practice. However, the built-in temperature gauge makes it manageable for beginners. While the Ooni Karu 12 can technically cook a pizza in as little as 60 seconds, a bit of skill is required for even cooking. In reality, it might take closer to 2 minutes for the average home cook, still an impressive feat. However, reheating the stone between pizzas takes around 5 minutes, leading to an output of 1 pizza every 5 to 7 minutes. Ideal for small gatherings, but if you're aiming for a professional output, consider an oven with more thermal mass. For those intrigued by wood-fired cooking, the Ooni Karu 12 offers an exciting opportunity. However, it requires patience and skill to maintain the right temperature for each pizza. Loading the firebox with hardwood before each pizza is essential for achieving that authentic wood-fired flavor. While it might be a bit more challenging, the rewards can be truly satisfying. So, to sum it up, the Ooni Karu 12 is a stellar choice for pizza enthusiasts seeking a portable, versatile, and easy-to-use pizza oven. Whether you opt for wood or gas, it's bound to deliver delicious results. If you're new to the art of pizza making, the gas attachment might be your best friend, simplifying the process without sacrificing flavor. And there you have it, folks, our take on the Ooni Karu 12 portable pizza oven. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow pizza aficionados. For more insightful product reviews, stay tuned to Product Critique. Until next time, keep crafting those perfect pizza pies.